It's your boy, the Killer B. I'm back. And if I was anybody else, I wouldn't be me. Clearly, I cannot be trusted to do simple grocery shopping trips or run other errands. Here's the story. A few months ago, I went to Michael's hobby gift craft store, whatever you want to call it, looking for some items I needed to finish a project because it was engineering week at work. We were having a bunch of kids come to the office, and I wanted to do a little syringe hydraulics demonstration. Basically, I make a little lift platform using syringes that you get at like the pet store or whatever. It's not a big deal. It's just sort of a little fluid power demonstration I like to do for smaller kids that don't understand how hydraulics work. While I was in Michael's, I accidentally happened into the area where they have the Hot Wheels, and I walked out with a whole bunch of Hot Wheels cars because I can't be trusted to run simple errands. To say nothing of the fact that the last couple of times I went in Walmart, including while I was way out in Las Vegas, I came away with a bunch of Hot Wheels cars. So this is just a little haul video to show the recent additions to my collection, which is now starting to approach the 275, 280 mark. I don't actually count really anymore, but since the Hot Wheels episode I did, I think I've added probably about another 30 cars or so, and I was right at 245, 250 then. So yeah, I'm looking 300 right in the eye. Although in fairness, even with all of that, we're talking about two 16 by 12 by 12 moving boxes once I get them all layered in there. So it's still not taking up a lot of space. I mean, I keep them packed up in those boxes, and it's just two moving boxes right now, and neither one is full. I only go about 3/4 to the top just so that they're not heavy and they're easy to move, because let's be real about this. Hot Wheel cars are made out of steel, and when you pack them in, they're dense like that. They feel like a box full of steel objects. So I don't pack them all the way to the top. But take a look at what I got. I got some open track. I got some street tuners. I got some car culture. Just a little of this, a little of that. Some basic cars. I'm a big fan of the basic cars. I mean, they cost 94 cents, 97 cents. You can't beat that with a stick. Obviously, the truck and transporter, or the transporter and car sets, cost 11, 12 bucks. The car culture and open road, open track, some of those are more like $6, $7 a piece. So I try to stick to the basic cars, but I do have some of the more quote-unquote premium cars. And so yeah, that's just my little update, my little quick update on the Hot Wheels situation. And the collection always grows, so I'll address it again some point in the near future. Thanks.